Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Edge 50 Pro, and let me share with you how to clear the browser on this device. So let's begin with opening the browser. In my case it will be Google Chrome, but no worries, basically this operation is pretty similar in all other browsers which are commonly used, so I'm pretty sure that you will be able to follow all of my steps and apply them to your own browser. So as I said, let me open the browser and then tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner. So here we've got two different options to clear the browsing data. We've got this option which is a quick option, however it is not really a deep option. All I want to say is that you can quickly remove some basic browsing history like cookies inside data, cached images and files, and the list of previously visited websites. You can simply tap on clear data and everything will be cleared. We've got also a longer option and I'd like to show it to you. So again, three dots icon and tap on the history. So here we've got the list of all previously visited websites. If you want to, you can remove them manually also, one by one, just by tapping on this X button right next to it. However, if you want to remove some advanced browsing history, tap on clear browsing data at the top. And right here we've got basic options, which were also available in the previous way of removing browsing history. And right here we've got advanced options like saved passwords, autofill from data and site settings. So if you want to remove something, make sure that it is marked. I will remove everything. We can also change the time range from last hour to, for example, last 7 days or even all time. So let me choose the option. It will be immediately applied and all we have to do is to tap on clear data. Sometimes you will have to tap on clear again, and as you can see, this is our history which is empty, and it means that we just successfully removed everything. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.